This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Sahel Naimy. Seller's loss, buyer's gain. Save time and money to complete this beautiful ranch style plus bonus new construction in Emory Vista subdivision. Lot clearance, excavation, footing and partial foundation and survey is done. New water meter is installed. $60,000 invested. House plan will be provided at no cost to buyer at closing. 2,071 square feet open floor plan on crawl space. Corum structural engineering report available. Sold as is. Seller is related to LA. For more information, review the details below or contact Sahel Naimy at 865-966-1111.